They say my pull-out game too strong. They say my pull-out game too strong. Say my pull-out game too strong. They say my pull-out game too strong. What's up? Well, it's your boy 1C Slim, aka Christopher Knox, and this is Still Maintain Financial. And I lost $2,000 It really Why? AMC. Life is a movie and you made a movie out of me. If you guys are not subscribed to this channel, please make sure you subscribe to this channel. And I hope this story right here helps you to remember that it's good to have a great pull-out game. Make sure your pull-out game strong. You know what I'm saying? Especially for all you day traders out there, make sure your pull-out game strong. But sometimes it can be too strong. When I say it can be too strong, you know, when you get that build up and you make you want to get, go, whoo! You don't want that. You don't want to be too strong. You got to think about what's going on, think about what you're doing, and make sure you're in the best financial state that you can be at when it comes down to these investments, because you can gain a lot or you can lose a lot. Now, to the story, as I'm saying, and everyone, please drop a like, drop a comment on the page, drop a comment if you've invested in stocks and you've lost a pretty good bit in stocks. You know what I'm saying? So in this situation here, technically, did I lose money? No, I didn't, because it wasn't my money to have. But did I miss on the opportunity to gain that much? Yes, I did. And here's the situation that happened, all right? AMC stocks. Everyone knows about the craze and how wild it was for the moment for AMC stocks. I'm sorry. I'm not the type to just capitalize on the situation, because I'm not the type to get into the whole clickbait thing and all this other extra stuff or trends. Like, I'm not with that, man. You know what I'm saying? And I feel like the AMC craze started a trend, and I wanted to vlog about it when I first jumped into it. But I'm a family man, dude. Like, and I procrastinate, and that's my problem. So I'm trying to stop doing that. You feel me? I'm trying to stop doing that. So this is what happened, right? So I bought the AMC stock at about $9 and some change, right? At about $9 and some change. Now this is right before it really started popping, and I just had a feeling it was, because the movie theaters were starting to open back up. AMC pretty much got the movie theater deals on lock. You know what I'm saying? They got it on smash. They like run the theater. You know what I'm saying? They run that. So I'm like, you know what? Let me jump into this stock. Let it go up to here, or let me get my gains real quick and pull out game strong real quick. Pull out game strong real quick. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, I'm like, I got bills coming up. I got these things that need to get paid. But if I can come up with a quick flip real quick, let me do that. So I jumped into my day trading mode, invested. I bought about 50 shares, of AMC. All right. Mind you, at less than $10. It's a little over $9, less than $10. Man, these woo, they start going up. They went up to 18, right? I'm like, I just doubled my money. Yeah, I just doubled my money. Now, coming towards the end of the month, I'm sorry, I can't remember which month it was. I wish I could. If I could find a screenshot, I would bring a screenshot up for you guys to let you know when it was that I bought it, which I should be able to. And I'm gonna post it in this video so y'all can see when I bought it and even when I sold it. So when I sold it at about a $200 gain. Now, mind you, it was at about 18 to 7. It was about 18, and then it started going down. Now, I don't know if y'all remember the whole GameStop AMC craze, when it just whoop went up and then shoo went right back down. So if y'all remember that phase, that's what I was thinking. And plus, I was thinking I got bills coming up. Like, I cannot risk losing this little bit that I put up in here. You know what I'm saying? Trying to make a quick flip. I got a family. I got a wife. I ain't trying to, you know what I'm saying? Compromise none of that. None of that. So what I did was, as soon as I started going down, it dropped down to 15, right? And I'm like, you know what? Let me take this $200 gain and just hold on to it so that way we can make sure all the bills and things like that is paid. So that's what I did. Mind you, I'm still keeping my eye out on the stock. And crazy thing is, no one's talking about it yet. Nobody. I was looking up to see if people was talking about it, and nobody was talking about it yet. And that's why it's my apologies, because I could have earned y'all a lot of money. For those who watch, I apologize. You feel me? So again, as I'm going and I'm watching the stock, I'm like, it's dropping. It dropped down to about 12, and I was like, whew, glad I dodged that bullet. Oh man. Yeah, Jada, we let it go. Yeah. Tell Jada don't do it. Yeah. So I'm like, nah, you know what I'm saying? Cool. You know, if I feel the need to jump back in, then I'll jump back in. You know what I'm saying? But I did not jump back in. About a week later, I look at it and it's at 19. A little while later, it's at 19. All right. Not only did it jump to 19, next day it's going up to like 20. This motherfucker started just jumping. And then now, when it reached about, let's see, 28, 29 months, because I'm keeping an eye out. My $28 to $29. Once it goes up to that much, now everybody's vlogging about it. Now everybody's talking about, oh yeah, AMC, this stock is about to blow up. It already blew up. And I missed out on giving y'all the information on that. You know what I'm saying? That's my fault. That's my bad. You know what I'm saying? If y'all unfollow me, if y'all say F him and his channel, I could understand it. I wouldn't like it. Not at all. Please stay following my page. Stay subscribed. Drop a comment. Give me some likes. Put us in the algorithms. You know what I'm saying? Still maintain. It is what it is. That's when everyone started talking about it. Oh, it's crazy. AMC's about to blow up. Oh, this is the stock you want to invest in. Da, 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 da. And I'm like, y'all already too late. Y'all too late on this thing blowing up. This thing about to go right back down. Watch it. You know what I'm saying? It went up to about 50. By the end of the craze, it went up to about 45 or 50. 45 or 50. Okay? Now, mind you, I told you, I sold at about 15 and made 200. Okay? I had 50 shares, if I'm not mistaken. Something like that. I had 50 shares. Okay? 50 times 50. We're looking at about $10 each. Okay? Looking at about $10 each. So what's 10 times 50? 10 times 50. That's about 500, right? Times that by 5. So about 25. Look, my math is off right now. I could have made about $2,500 to $3,000 if I wouldn't have had my pullout game strong, and if I wasn't worried about bills. If I was in the right financial state, that would have been an additional $3,000 to $2,500 to $3,000 that was earned. And my reasoning for telling you guys about this is to let you know, like, the importance. If y'all haven't watched my video on the steps you need to know, the things you need to know about before starting to invest in stocks, you need to watch that video, because I ain't even following myself. You know what I'm saying? But I know how to give you game, if that makes sense. I might not follow my own advice, but I know how to give great advice. You know what I'm saying? And that's my issue. I did not follow my advice. And again, you don't need thousands of dollars to invest. You just need to invest what's within your budget. Invest with what it is that you know is not dipping into money that you know you need to pay bills. You know what I'm saying? Because sometimes, again, you can make that quick flip, and sometimes it works out for you, sometimes it don't. And that's why a lot of people don't need to be going to these damn darn. Ooh, I cussed. Lord, he cussing. Ooh, Lord, he cussing. Somebody get this boy. He cussing. Oh Lord, please talk to him. Please, somebody. Somebody talk to him, please. Somebody. Like seriously though. Like have your things intact financially before you really jump into investing, because that's really gonna dictate if you win in the stock market or if you lose in the stock market. Because anxiety is real. It's real. Because when you start to get anxious about things, you start feeling like I gotta pull out. You know what I'm saying? You start to feel like that. But when you are comfortable, when you know all your feet are attached, when you know that you have your stuff together, you are able to invest comfortably without worry and know that either you're going to win, you might lose, but in the long run, you're going to win. That's how it is with the stocks. In the long run, you're going to win. It's a fact. Money goes low. When it goes low, you buy. So eventually it's either you're gonna buy out until you're even, or you're going to buy out and that money is going to continue to rise for you. And that's just how it goes, unless you have a stock that completely dies off. You know what I'm saying? But at the end of the day, man, make sure you got your stuff intact before you truly start putting money in the stock market. That's where it is that I made my mistake at. I got anxious. I knew I had bills, and I pulled out much sooner than what I should have. If I had my finances intact, then I would have just let it sit. I wouldn't even be tripping, because I know eventually it's gonna go right back up. So I would have left it right where it was at, let it gain, and I would have been $2,500 to $3,000 richer. But if you guys like this video, and again, if y'all appreciate the advice that I'm kicking to you, the knowledge that I'm kicking you right now, please make sure you subscribe to this channel. It will be more of this dropping. The more likes, the more comments, the more play that this get, the more videos I will definitely drop and try to keep y'all updated. If y'all truly want me to keep an eye out on the market and give y'all my best advice as far as which stocks to put your money into, let me know. And trust me, check out my other video too, as far as the top 4 or 5 dividend paying stocks to invest in. Because if you take a look at that video at the time that video dropped and how much those stocks were at that time, look at where they're at now and tell me I don't know what I'm talking about. Please, please check it out and tell me that I do not know what I'm talking about. I guarantee you that will not happen. So, once again, if y'all like this content, man, make sure y'all subscribe to this channel, hit that notification bell, make sure you drop a like on this video, drop a comment, and please, if you know other people who are looking to get into stocks or who are already in stocks, make sure you share this video. Let's get this thing around. Can we make it go virals? I mean, probably not, but if we can make it go viral, at least on Facebook to 10 people, I'm cool with that. You know what I'm saying? Spread the word. This is your boy, Christopher Knox, aka, y'all know what it is. Still Maintain Financial. This is Still Maintain. We hold our own. Salute.